Hey guys, so I've got this Whirlpool refrigerator, and when I opened it the other day, I noticed that there's a water filter status here and it's showing up red. So I've got to change the filter on this Whirlpool refrigerator, and never changed a water filter on a refrigerator before. But I went ahead and reset it here. I just had to push this 5 times within 10 seconds. And I've got the filter already. And I found that on this Whirlpool, the filter's down here at the bottom. So I can actually see just the end of it right here. And what I'm actually gonna do now is go ahead and shut off the water pressure. So most of you will have a shut-off valve behind your fridge. I don't, so I'm gonna turn it off here at the well. And if you have city water, you would turn it off at the street if you lack that valve. Now I'll admit, I don't know if that step is necessary or not, but I don't want to find out the hard way after I pop out the old filter, and I don't want to have water leaking all over the place. So I'm going to go ahead and bleed the pressure out of the fridge. And I suspect that maybe some water will spill out, especially because the filter is beneath the point where the water comes out. So let's get down here and check it out. So I took this little cover off here, and what I'm seeing is the back of the new filter. So here's the new filter here. And you can get a better look at it if I pull this out. So it looks to me as though there is a piece right here pushing that in. Looks like it pushed the filter to the side. I'm just gonna grab it and yank it out. Here we go. This one takes a Whirlpool number 3. We can actually look down through here and see that's where the filter is installed into. So now I'm going to take my new filter, put that in. There we go. So it made a nice little click sound. Put this back on. I guess in the future I'll know I don't need to remove this plastic trim piece. So now I'm going to go turn the water on. So it's occurred to me that this valve might have some scale on it. And so just the act of me turning the water off and then back on might release some scale into my lines here. And I don't want that scale to go right into my new filter and clog it up. So I'm gonna run an outside faucet for a while, get the scale out through there, and then I'll try out the fridge. So now I have delicious fresh water, and I assume that this is from the air bubbles, but I'm already noticing the water comes out much faster now than it was before I changed the filter. So maybe the filter that was in there was clogged. So yeah, every 6 months you change the filter. And I was reading the back here. It says the capacity is 200 gallons with PID, 100 gallons without PID. I don't know offhand what PID stands for. If you happen to know, I'd like to hear about it down below. But yeah, I hope that this information was helpful for you in changing the water filter on your Whirlpool refrigerator.